Hi! When you saw the Eclectic Expressions Stamp Set, did you think, I bet you can only use that for accents? Well, I'm going to show you how to use the Eclectic Expressions Stamp Sets to quickly create an abstract background for a clean and simple thank you card. Welcome! I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. So if you haven't given the Celebration Eclectic Expressions Stamp Set a second look, well, perhaps you will after you see how you can use it to easily make clean and simple cards. Here's a closer view of the Celebration Eclectic Expressions Stamp Set. Now this is one of the exclusive free with $50 product selections you can make as part of the 2018 Stampin' Up! Celebration Special. If you're thinking, Shelley, I don't remember seeing that in here. Well, it's because it's not. It's in the supplement. February 16th, we got 3 new choices, and one of them being the Eclectic Expressions Stamp Set in your choice of wood mount or clear mount. And then also we have the Springtime Foil Specialty Designer Series paper, another free with $50 product purchase, and the Blossoming Basket Bundle, the beautiful Blossoming Basket Stamp Set, and the Basket Weave Dynamic Embossing Folder, free with a $100 product purchase. Now the Celebration Special, it goes through only March 31st, 2018. And so there's no limit to how many Celebration items you can earn. If you have the Work of Art stamp set, when you look at these 3 stamps, you may think, well, I already have those. These are just smaller versions. But look when you compare the two. Very, very different. Now, these are bold images. They look like paintbrush stroke marks. And these are watercolor that fade in and out as if you're watercoloring and you get less color as you go along. And that'll be more obvious as we stamp. It's just so cool how they're able to do that in a stamp to get the various shades. So what I have here is some Whisper White thick cardstock. I'm going to use the Whisper White Thick because I'm going to be popping this layer up with Stampin' Dimensionals, and I like the extra sturdiness it provides, but I still have that great finish of the Whisper White cardstock that's designed to take ink for beautiful stamped images. So we're going to start with the Pool Party Classic Stampin' Pad ink. We're going to push, flip, and lock that lid into place, and then here's our stamp. All right, and so this is, I'm going to be making a whole lot of these, so I wanted to get more than one shade, but I didn't want to have to clean my stamp all the time. So what we're going to do is called a technique called stamping off. So first I'm going to stamp, and then without re-inking, we're going to come and stamp again. So I've got the same color, but in 2 shades. Isn't that great? All right, so to close these, pull on that, flip, and click. And then our next color was the Lemon Lime Twist. Push, flip, lock it in place, and I think I may have gotten ink on my hands. I'm going to wipe that quickly on my stamping sleeve. All right, so I don't smudge my card. That would bum me out. Here's the next watercolor image. So we're going to come in here, stamp, and then up here again without re-inking. So we're getting the different shades. Fantastic. Now, when the pad is newer, sometimes they're a little bit stiff. I take my thumb and just give it a little push. All right, there we go. And then our third color, we've got the Berry Burst. Push, flip, lock that lid into place. All right, you know, the Lemon Lime Twist and the Berry Burst, well, they're part of the 2017-2019 end colors, and so they're going to be around through May 31st, 2019. But what I'm looking at is Stampin' Up! Said every 3 to 5 years they would refresh the core colors. And so that Pool Party is one of those. So it's been 5 years since they've done a color refresh. So in April, we'll find out for sure. But when we do, if some of the colors that are retiring are favorites, well, the ink refills and cardstock will sell out right away. So during Celebration, be a really good time to go ahead and stock up on your favorites. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So I kept it. I did the same thing. I thought, well, I've got the dark over here, so I did the full strength and then the Stamped Off over there. Love this. All right. So here we go. So just a little warning that I'm expecting, you know, Stampin' Up! Hasn't told me for sure. It's just they had said 3 to 5 years, and 5 years, it's time for a refresh. All right, so now we're going to do our greeting with the Basic Black Archival. Push, flip. I did try the Berry Burst, and it just didn't stand out well against that. And so the Basic Black really does. Now this thank you, it's part of the Eclectic Expressions Stamp Set. So we'll just come over here and stamp right in the center. Oh, fantastic. Simple, simple card. But look at that background. And so then we're just going to jazz it up a little bit, and look what I have here. I have the Tutti-Frutti Adhesive-Backed Sequins. Okay, I really like the sequins, but messing with that glue is aggravating. I don't have to with this. The adhesive is already in the back. So you get 5 colors. I'm going to use the 3 that we used here today, the Pool Party and the Lemon Lime Twist and the Berry Burst. We have Pumpkin Pie and Yellow here as well. And so all I have to do is pick one of these off. Now go ahead and press down first. I pulled one off yesterday and the adhesive stayed on the sheet. So like I do with the basic, the Pearl Basic Jewels and the Rhinestone, I go ahead and press down first. All right, so there we go. Just a nice little touch. And these colors, I was thinking, instead of the Berry Burst, if you changed it to the Pumpkin Pie, this would be a great guide card too, huh? There we go. And just one more. Doesn't that add a lot? And these are so easy. Now these are from the Occasions catalog, the 2018 Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog. Usually accessories don't carry over, so if you like these, okay, I don't think that one's coming with me. I'll play with that one a little bit later. All right, let's see. You know what? This is the one yesterday. There, that one came up good. I also could take my paper piercing tool and get up and underneath. There we go. Oh, what a nice little touch. So just one last thing to do. We're going to put this on a base of Whisper White thick cardstock. Whenever I want white cardstock for my base, I always choose the Whisper White thick. Look at how sturdy that is. Makes for a more attractive card. And then to just dress up our clean and simple card, it's easy to do with the Stampin' Dimensionals. We're going to use these foam adhesive dots to give it some added dimension. All right, so one in each corner. Here we go, one more. And then a very simple trick. All you need to do is take your thumbnail, and you don't have to have long fingernails, just press down in the center and the edges pop up, making it really easy to take these off. Okay, fantastic. So we'll go ahead and center this right on here. And if you'd like to have my measurements, I'll have a link under the video to my blog post with the card measurements. There we go. For my Eclectic Expressions clean and simple card. Look how quick and easy that was to make. So that's a stamp set, you know, a Celebration stamp set. I just wanted to make sure I highlight so you didn't miss out on it and discover after it was too late just how stinking cool it is. If you'd like to get the Eclectic Expressions Stamp Set, the only way is to get it for free with your $50 product purchase placed in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com, by March 31st, 2018. And when you place your March 2018 Stampin' Up! Order with me, I'm going to send you one of my clean and simple Eclectic Expressions cards. So remember, the Stampin' Up! Celebration, it ends on March 31st, 2018. Then we'll have to wait another year. So get on over now to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.